Hello guys, today we're going to do yet another unboxing. So let's get into this one. In here should be a fairly rare pneumatic cleaner from around 1999. Well, it is from 1999 actually, because I know I bought this. I bought this off of Good Collector George. Still got the original kit with it. Unfortunately, there's my phone going off again. But you know, it's a kit I can kind of refurb with a refurb or something. There's a few bits in here. Cut all this off. The hoses, okay-ish. Non-genuine kit with this, so we have an alright-ish floor tool that will be cleaned up and that will be fine. Of course, the neck's seized on it. We've got some rusty old tubes, not original. Another rusty vent end which will be cleaned up. That will clean up fine. And a tube missing the top, that will be fine, and a hose which is cracked, but that will be fine as well after a clean. Give you a clue, it's a metal, well, half metal machine, and here it is, and it is very nice indeed. It's got the hook on it. Let's get the cable out. I think it's a very long cable on this. Looks like it's a plug off for Premier products. But I think it's just a freak or so. Let's just lift it out. Well, it's very light, I'll tell you that now. George just put a nice cloth on this. So there we go. It is pretty cool. I've not actually seen one of these before. In real life. I've seen them on the internet, never in real life. So here we go. Here's the machine. It's a Numatic nvq402 from the 13th week of 1999. So here it is. It is a UDS machine, unfortunately, and it is missing the thing that comes out the back. It's a bit rusty here and there, but I mean, it's all right. Dusty, of course, and the wheels look in pretty nice condition as well. Yeah, so with a bit of cleaning up, it should be completely fine. So it's a on-off, and it's also a twin speed. So I've not had a twin speed one before, so I thought this would be cool for the collection. Of course, here's the hose that goes on the front. But it's not the original, so it doesn't really want to go on. There we go. George said it works, but not very well. I need to send you a video of it running. I'm sure this must be, I don't know what this cable's off. It's the same plug as a Premier one, Premier Mini. So I'm not sure. Might be the original, I'm not too sure, but it's quite crinkled up. It's very thick. So it might not be the original, but of course it'll have to do for now. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go and plug it in to my RCD and we'll have a look at it running. We'll put it in low. Alright, just put the box over here and we'll see what it runs like. That is very quiet for low. Let's turn it on high. That is very quiet. I mean, that is near enough silent. So, yeah, that's quite cool. Probably got so much sound dampening in there. But, you know, this cable is mega thick. So So it must not be the original. And it's the cable thing's missing on the back as well. So, oh bloody hell. It's like proper thick, this cable. It's like proper, oh, it's like crinkled up as well. I didn't even think that would fit on the hook. Like, well, it's too fat. Yes, that's that cable. But yeah, I quite like this. It's pretty cool. It'll be alright after clean as well. I mean, yeah, a bit of rust here and there, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, client services group is bloody rubbish. Can gone straight off. There we go. But the tub is in very nice condition though. I must say, it is in very, very nice condition. That goes in the bin. So I might even just stick a normal 2-core cable on it, to be fair, because this one is mega thick. And there's no way... actually, no, I've got one, the 3-core, but it's not as thick as this. But, yeah. It definitely isn't the original cable, because this wouldn't fit through the grommet thing. But yeah, it is pretty cool, if I'm honest. There you go, there's that, and then this thing's going the wrong way. It should be more or less like that. So, you know, there we go. Sticks. But yeah, it's quite cool. And it should be a good one for the collection. So, there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, bye for now.